is another example on partial variation, and the question says A is partly constant and partly varies as B. Solution. Let's interpret the first sentence. It says A is partly constant. Let's say it's partly constant to X and partly varies as B. But B also needs to have a constant of variation. So let's say the constant of variation associated with B is Y. So we have plus Y, then B, where X and Y are constants. So from here, we need to find the value of this constant so that we're able to have a formula connecting A and B. For us to do that, we substitute the values given. That is, when B equals 40, A equals 150. And when B equals 54, A equals 192. So let's do that. Substituting A equals 150 when B equals 40 and A equals 192 when B equals 54. Now when we substitute inside this equation, for the first set of values, we'll be having 150 equals X plus, now B is 40 here, 40 times Y, we have 40Y, and that gives us our equation 1. Now for the second set of values, when we input inside the equation, we have 192 equals X plus, B is 54 here, so we have 54Y, and this gives us our equation 2. So this is just a simultaneous equation. So we have to solve for the values of X and Y. Now we can use either substitution method or elimination method. But in this example, I will be using elimination method. So using elimination method, to solve the simultaneous equation. And the main thing in elimination method is we have to eliminate one of the values we are looking for. So here I'll be eliminating X. So I would say equation 2 minus equation 1. So to do that, my equation 2 here, from this side, we have 192, then minus the value for this side, 150, equals, now when you say X minus X, that cancels out, we have 0. And here we'll be having 5Y, 54Y, that's 54, minus 40Y. So here we'll have 192 minus 150 here, we'll have 42 equals 54Y minus 40Y, we have 14Y. Now to find the value of Y, we divide both sides by the coefficient of Y, which is 14. So we have divided by 14, divided by 14. 14 goes here 1, 14 goes here 3. So we have 3 over 1, which is 3, equals 14 goes here 1, 14 goes here 1. So we are left with 1 times Y, which is 1Y over 1, which gives us Y, which we can write as Y equals 3. Now to find the value of X, we substitute this value of Y inside one of these equations. So substitute Y equals 3 in equation 1. And the equation 1 we have, it says 150 equals X plus 40Y. And 40Y means 40 times Y. So we have 40 into Y is now 3. And here we have 150 equals X plus 40 times 3, 120. And from here we collect like terms. We have 150 minus 120 equals X. 150 minus 120 here we have 30 equals S, which we can write as X equals 30. Now the formula connecting A and B here would be A equals X, which is 30 now, plus y plus 40 plus by. Here we have our y as 3, then b, so we have 3b. So yeah, this gives us the formula connecting A and B. But what we are told to find is the value of A when B equals 100. So substitute B equals 100. So we have A equals 30 plus 3 into 100, and here we have 30 plus 3 times 100, we have 300, and when we sum this up, we're having 330. So therefore A equals 330 when B equals 100. And this is how to solve the partial variation. Thank you.